Ethel Chocolate's factory and flagship store in Las Vegas is located in the heart of southern Nevada, just a short distance from the Las Vegas Strip. It is located at 2 Cactus Garden Drive, Henderson, Nevada 89014. How were chocolates made? First, from a cacao tree, ripe cacao pods are suitable for harvest within 3 to 4 weeks. Second, the harvested pods are opened and the pulp and cocoa seeds or beans are removed. Third, beans are transferred to wooden boxes and covered with plantain leaves to allow them to ferment naturally for about 3 to 6 days. Fourth, beans are spread in the sun to dry. Fifth, beans are roasted in ovens to bring out the chocolate flavor and color. Sixth, once the roasting process is complete, the bean shells are removed and the cacao beans are ground. Finally, the chocolate is tempered into delicious chocolate pieces filled with cream or caramel and sprinkled with sea salt or drizzled over your favorite type of brittle. Watch the expert chocolatiers craft the Ethel chocolate made without artificial preservatives at our Las Vegas chocolate factory. The process are the following. Number 1, cream beater. Number 2, open flame cooker. Number 3, cooling tables. Number 4, vacuum mixer. Number 5, melting tanks. Number 6, one-shot depositors. Number 7, enrobers. Number 8, cooling tunnel. Number 9, the molding station. Number 10, packing line. Here is the self-guided factory viewing aisle. Shop a variety of homemade baked or chocolate dipped treats at Cactus Garden Cafe, located inside the Flagship store. Menu includes milkshakes, coffee, tea, water, cupcakes, chocolate brownies, chocolate cannoli, chocolate strawberry, chocolate bark, chocolate orange, and chocolate marshmallow.